And basically, PuraMaize inhibits pollination from pollen coming from plants that don't have PuraMaize, the PuraMaize gene system in them. So essentially it means that PuraMaize will predominantly pollinate itself. As a result of that, GMO pollen blowing in from somebody else's field won't pollinate PuraMaize, or in theory it could pollinate it, but it occurs at a very, very low frequency, well below the European standard for GMO contamination. Any questions about that so far? Okay, well, what we're looking at here along this road is a PuraMaize demonstration of how that pollen block works, or the effect of that pollen blockage. All the hybrids along here are in a yield trial test that's being grown throughout the Midwest this year, evaluating the 3 new PuraMaize products and a few other PuraMaize products against normal hybrids. So what we do during the conversion of new inbreds to PuraMaize, and then after, in this case, when we have PuraMaize hybrids, to verify that the PuraMaize gene's there and it's working the way it's supposed to work, is we force a foreign pollen exposure to the plants. And we do that not using GMO, but using a blue pollen source, or a blue corn source. And this ugly corn at the end, at both ends, and it's actually flopped down behind it, is a specific kind of Indian corn that the blue in it is dominant. So any fertilization that occurs with pollen from that genotype will result in a blue kernel. It's called the Hopi blue, and it is not well adapted to the Midwest, but has one advantage: puts out a big tassel with lots and lots of pollen.